Hey, what's going on everybody, and welcome back to video number 2 today of getting the Jeep ready for a flat tow. My name is JP and this is Wander to Get Lost. When I got the Jeep, I really liked the look of the J8 military Jeeps, and that's kind of what I did. I kind of removed the stock bumper, put on a J8 front bumper, put D-ring mounts, and then got shackles. So it's not the typical setup. So what I had to do to figure out how to flat tow is get special adapters that are going to go on our Blue Ox tow bar that'll then work with the D-rings that are on the front bumper. So let me go over to the Jeep with you and I'll show you what I'm talking about. All right, let's go. This is the front bumper. This is the J8 style military front bumper. This is the D-ring bumper mounts. Here's the ring, and this is the shackle. So what I had to do is get these special adapters here that actually slide on here that are going to work in place of the typical connection point that you would have like on the mounting brackets that are set up for the Blue Ox tow bar. I'll show you what those mounting brackets look like. So here's the one that comes with the Blue Ox. It's got this special 2 slots and 3 lugs. So that's what we're going to replace. This is basically going to go like that. And when you get them, this tells you which side is up, so you know which side it's going to go on. So this one's going to go on this side. We're going to replace that. This is the kit that I got off of Amazon. So it's the 7/8 inch off-road adapters. It comes with all these parts that you see here, and then you're just going to remove everything. This is a 19mm bolt. So here's the other one, and then here's the main lugs that are going to connect it to my D-rings, and then here's all the hardware. Here's the new bolts to connect it. They even give you some shims right here in case you have to shim inside that new adapter, but I'm not going to need to because it fits pretty snug, so we'll be fine. So it's just basically these bolts. It comes with lock nuts, and here are the pins. Like so. I'm sorry, these are the shims right here. So this black would go in there. These shims are actually going to replace those washers. Alright, so I got to pop these off, and then we're going to pop these on. Alright, let's go. Get to work. Alright, so a couple of issues that I've already seen with the kit. This is the bolt that came on the Blue Ox. This is the new one. You can see how much shorter it is. Also, the new kit didn't come with a washer for the top, so I'm going to reuse these. But I'm probably going to reuse this bolt with the new lock nut, just because there's not a lot of thread when you tighten it that comes out the end. So I'm kind of worried about it backing out. I know these are lock nuts, but I just want to be safe. Yeah, so this bolt is definitely too short, so I'm going to use the original bolt. gonna remove the shackles off the Jeep and test fit. All right, so now these lugs are gonna just come up here. Hopefully this fits. It's a little tight because this powder coating or coating on this is really thick, and I've also got a lot of paint on my D-ring, so I'm gonna have to give it a little gentle persuasion. All right, I got that one in. Orange hammer. Definitely get one of these. Alright, so nothing a little grinding wheel can't fix. I grinded it off, and this lug may have been a little warped. I don't know. So yeah, there's no rain in the forecast, and once this all works, I'll probably put a little primer, a little coat of paint on it just to protect it. Look at that. Hey. Alright, look at that. Alright, we got a flat toe set up. Sweet. Okay, so nothing ever goes as planned or as easy as you think it would, and as easy as you think it should. So as I told you, I had to grind a little bit on my D-rings. It's probably because they might have been off a little bit when they welded them on, and that. Come on. Well, just go leave your sushi over there. Leave it on the grass. Okay.
Hi. Hello.
All right, let me just finish, okay, real quick. All right, so a couple of takeaway points. The bolts that came with it are too short.
Yeah, and can I show them this one?
Yeah, you can show them that one. No, show them this one. This guy.
And this one?
It comes with the shims to go between the lug, but I reused the Blue Ox ones because these were too thick. So the Blue Ox ones were a lot thinner, so I reused those. I reused the bolt from Blue Ox, and then I used the new lock nut, so that would be good. I also used the washer
and
from Blue Ox that was already there because there was no washer with this.
Bye-bye.
Come on, not yet.
Oh, yeah.
All right, so yeah, those are the kind of the bad things about this kit. What I would say is the Blue Ox lugs are like $370 on the Blue Ox website. These lugs were $250-ish on Amazon, so $120. I'll deal with not having like some of the correct parts or having to reuse old parts. So $120, it's fine. I may also replace that bolt eventually with the newer one because it's a little rusty, but I don't have to do that right now. Otherwise, we are now set up to tow the... Oh, thank you. Otherwise, we are set up now to tow the Jeep behind the RV. Are you excited?
Rusty.
You excited?
Yeah. Rusty,
Yeah.
rusty.
Yeah, rusty. All right, so that's it. So thanks for watching. I hope you liked this video. If it helped you out, hit the thumbs up. Say goodbye.
Bye-bye. Bye.
And we'll see you on the next video. Thanks so much for watching, everybody. Have a great day.